the Catholic Church of Iligan City. Did you say up on the roof? Up on the roof is the patron of Iligan City, which is called Señor San Miguel de Arcangel. At this the side of your seeing is the kindergarten school. Yes, owned by unknown people in Iligan City. And there's jeep, passenger jeep is going to have turn back again to the other route, going to, or just about to have turned around the city and reaching the usual. This is the Catholic Church. And this building, you can see the building. The house of mine where I sleep every night is located there. And this road is going to the port of Iligan City. And now it's June 5. It's about to have celebration of Independence Day. Yeah, Independence Day, that is June 12. June 12. Well, there's so many jeeps liner going to Suarez. This is the general road for any passenger jeep going to everywhere around in the city, except those the center. Okay. Behind on that kaya nito tree, you see that tree up there, the mango, is a Gaisano. Gaisano building, which is Gaisano Mall. The place where I'm standing now taking on coverage is very near to my residence where I sleep. And then this Catholic Church is a very long time ago erected. When myself was being baptized since at the age of 1 year. At the age of 1 year of myself, yes, of course, of me, I was baptized here in this church. This is a very old church because I am already 56 years old. 57, around 1965. This is very old church. So I was baptized here. Then you can see me all the pictures in my account on YouTube that I was being baptized. No such baptisms as small baby like me baptized in this church. This road, the pedestrian lane. The So the road up under is going to port. And this is the road where very near where I sleep every night. You see that? I'm very busy. Okay, this is the back of the church, the Catholic Church. Which you can see also the convent, not in convent, the convento. And yeah, this is church. It's about to reach the place 7-Eleven. Yeah. This is about to reach the 7-Eleven. You see that? There's chicken house. Fried or vegan? Chicken house. They're chip out. Fried. This is 7-Eleven. See, 7-Eleven, very nice. Rapid. No more question about 7-Eleven. This is vegan city. Very nice. So, being big hospitality building erected. I am here. This is the place where I was born. Until I become like this very big man. This is 7-Eleven. Well, thank you very much. Next time, sooner, sooner, I'm going to upload this in YouTube. You can see me at this back of this very big building, as you can see. This back of the building. It's the mall of Quezano Market. Thank you very much. Thank you. Good afternoon. It's April. May. It's June. June. This coming June 12 is to celebrate the Independence Day. Now is June 5. Good afternoon. I'm nice and this is Broadcasting Baltar. Thank you very much, YouTube.